basic electronics lab, then show the list of experiments. Then RC differentiator integrator are there. You click on RC differentiator integrator. Okay, simulation, yes. So inverting, non-inverting amplifiers and RC differentiator integrator. So this is comes under pulse and digital circuits, RC differentiator and RC integrator. So in your pulse and digital circuits, you have linear and non-linear applications. Linear and non-linear applications. So we will see integrator circuit. RC integrator. Here the circuits is readily available here, and we have to make the connections here, draw the circuit diagram and differentiator. Okay, we will take RC integrator directly. So circuits are available here. Is it RC integrator or differentiator? Anyone? Anyone, ma? It is also very interesting, ma. RC integrator, is it low pass circuit or high pass circuit, ma?
High pass.
RC integrator low pass or high pass?
Low pass.
Low pass. Okay. So low pass series series resistance shunt capacitor. Series resistance shunt capacitor. If you interchange these two, it becomes high pass filter, high pass circuit. RC high pass or RC low pass circuit. So RC low pass circuit acts as an integrator. The output is, what is the expression for integrator? The output is integral of the input signal multiplied by some time constant. Okay. So these RC integrator. So you see the instructions. So first set the resistance value and the capacitance value. You take the resistance value, set the resistance and capacitance value, because it is RC network. These two are very, very important. You keep R value is some 1 kilo ohm, for example. 1 kilo ohm, maximum it is 1 kilo only. Okay, we will take some 500 ohms. Then take the capacitance value at 6 microfarads or some 10 microfarads or 0. Okay, 1 microfarad otherwise. Okay, so just by varying this, we can set the resistance value, required value, and by varying this value, we can set the required capacitance value. Then click on button to start the experiment. So where is on button, ma? Anyone? Where is on button? This is on button. Yes, this is on button. Once you click on this on button, just like this is your CRO oscilloscope, CRO. Cathode ray oscilloscope start from CRO. This is channel 1, channel 2, ground, and dual channel. We can operate in channel 1 only, or we can also operate channel 2, or we can operate both channel 1 and channel 2. That is nothing but dual channel, just like your laboratory CRO. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So here, just by pressing click, this is, if it is off, it is not available. It is empty. Okay. So you click on. Now the screen is available. Now the screen is available. So here it is. This is control, time per division, voltage per division. Two control knobs are available in our CRO. Have you remember that in our CRO?
Yes, sir.
Channel 1 is, channel 2 is there. Only single screen is available, and we have amplitude on knob and time knob. For time is common for both channel 1 and channel 2, and amplitudes are different for different channels. Am I right, ma?
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Time per division, voltage per division for channel 1, voltage per division for channel 2. Okay. So you click on square wave signal and you click on oscilloscope. Now the waveform will be available here. If you want to see both input and output, you click on dual. This is your input signal, ma. What is the input signal we are applying here? Square wave signal. What we get here signal? It is a triangle wave or not? Just by varying these positions. 1 minute, I will show you. This is the positions, ma. This is the amplitude.
Sir, input resistance and capacitance value.
Yeah, based on the it is 0 now. That's why it is very low. 1 minute, ma. I will show you. To take 3 micro. Now square wave. Now you click on Julian. Now the signal. Is it integrated or not, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When RC low pass, when input is square wave signal, this is your input signal, ma. Blue color is input signal. We get a triangle signal at the output side, that is across the capacitor. So it acts as the integrator. That means RC is far greater than T. So like that we can generate the triangle signal. Just by changing the value, we can also observe the by just simply click on this, change the value. Now click on this button, on button, square wave signal. Now observe the oscilloscope. This is output signal. Channel 1 is input, channel 2 is output. If you want to see both together, click on Julian. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Just simply here what we are doing is just by fixing the resistance and capacitance values, and we are applying the square wave signal. It is an inbuilt signal. Then you click on this on button. Once it is on, the screen is available. You click on oscilloscope, the output signal is available. You click on square wave signal, the input is available. That is channel 1, channel 2. If you want to see both input and output at a time, click on 2L. This is only channel 1 input, channel 2 output. If you want to see both, you click on 2L. We can see both. So like that we can perform. This is channel 1 voltage per division, channel 2 voltage per division, and this is time per division. Sorry, this is CRO frequency, and this is the time per division. This is panel, control panels in your CRO. Control panels in your CRO. Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Yeah, how to perform? We have 3 different conditions now. Suresh Garu, are you there, sir? Suresh Garu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have 3 different conditions. I think RC far less than T, RC far greater than T, RC approximately equal to T. We have different conditions, na, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yes,
equal
sir.
to T, greater than or less than. Just by changing either C value or R value, we can verify the conditions. Why? Because the input signal is constant here. Input square wave signal is
Yes,
constant. Just by varying either C or R, we can make it is equal to the signal or greater than the signal time period or less than this time signal. So only it generates a triangle signal when this RC is much greater than the time period of the input signal. This R into C is nothing but RC network time period. RC network time period is R into C. This RC is the time constant. If this time constant is much greater than square wave signal time constant, then only it generates a triangle waveform. That is the condition we have to satisfy. If RC is less than T, it is not triangle wave, isn't it? Is it clear,
Yes,
ma?
sir.
So anyhow, theory part explain, ma. I'm not concentrating much on theory part. Just I'm explaining the practical oriented only. Okay, this is integrator. Next we will see the differentiator. RC differentiator. So RC differentiator, it acts as a RC high pass circuit,
High
acts as
pass
a
filter.
differentiator. Am I right? High pass filter.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
It acts as a differentiator means output is a differentiation of the input signal. When RC is much less than T, that is when RC is much less than the time period of the input signal, it generates spikes in the output signal, positive spikes and negative spikes. Its amplitude is twice the amplitude of the input signal. That is nothing but RC differentiator. Clear? Okay, here also same. Set the resistance and capacitance value. So capacitance 5 microfarads, resistance is, for example, it is 700 ohms. Then you click on button, this window is open. You click on square wave signal, square wave is available here. And you click on oscilloscope. Yes, now the square wave signal. Channel 1 input signal, channel 2 What is this one, ma? This is called spike. This is called spike. The spikes, RC differentiator generates a series of spikes when this RC is much less than the time period of the input signal. In that condition only, it acts as a differentiator. When RC is much less than the time period of the input signal, it acts as a differentiator. It generates spikes, positive spike and negative spike. These are used as a trigger signals, ma. These are used as a trigger signals in our bistable multivibrator and monostable multivibrator. Okay, if you want to see both input and outputs, you click on Joule. So like that, by varying resistance value, here also we can verify three conditions. When RC is far less than T, this is the condition, I think. When RC is far greater than T, what will happen? When RC is approximately equal to T, what will happen? T is nothing but time period of the square wave. RC is also time constant tau. So depending upon the RC time constant when compared to the square wave signal, so we have three different options or three different cases. One is approximately equal to time period of the input signal, far less than time period of the input signal, far greater than time period of the input signal. So we have to verify three conditions. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, ma?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Just like this is our CRO screen, this is frequency amplitude, and this is channel 1 control panels, channel 1, channel 2, and time per division. Time per division. So you take one more value, for example, it is okay. You first off, click on off, then change to some 1 kilo ohm, and the capacitance is some 6 microfarads. Then you turn on. This is displayed, and you click on square wave. This is your input signal. This is oscilloscope output signal, channel 1, channel 2. Okay, this is ground. This is ground. Okay, ground, Joule. So like that we can get the signals. Clear, sir? Suresh garu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So like that we can perform RC low pass circuit and RC high pass circuit. What about remaining experiments, sir? PDC?
PDC.
Just we seen in non-linear applications, linear applications, RC low pass and high pass linear applications. Clippers are there, na, sir? Clippers or transistors is
Yes, sir. Clippers, clampers are there, sir. Clippers, clampers.
Clippers,
remaining,
clampers,
sir?
multivibrators.
Multivibrators. So multivibrators. So I have seen a stable multivibrators using op amp, I think. Okay. 1 minute, sir. Let's see. Active filters also available, na, sir?
Filters are there, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, filters are there. Yes, we'll active filters. Actually, this is under processing, sir. Under developing low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter. This is under the processing, and they are developing. So what about remaining, sir? Remaining experiments?
Madam Vaishnavi, madam. Simon sir.
సార్ కేసులో ఒక లూప్
Sir,
సార్ పిఎల్ఎల్
sir,
పిఎల్ఎల్ ఉన్నట్టుంది కేసులో ఒక లూప్
PLL phase
PLL and control
Metric error.
oscillators, filters, so they are under processing, sir. They are not available.
Okay.
Metric
There are
error,
many,
PLL,
yeah,
multi
they are under
vibrators.
processing, sir. Yeah. So multi vibrators using op amp is available, sir.
Okay.
Multi
Okay,
vibrators
okay,
using
sir.
op amp is available. I will show you, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Sir. Clippers and clampers are also there, sir.
There, but not available, sir. They are under processing, sir. They are designing.
Okay, okay, sir.
Very soon they will release, sir. They are under processing. Okay. These are the okay.
Sampling gate, sir.
Sampling gate is also available, I think. Sampling.
Converters also there, sir. Analog to digital converter.
Analog to digital, yeah. Analog to digital.
It comes under PDC.
PDC, yeah. Using transistor, no? Transistor is a switch also there, PDC.
Sir,
Transistor as a switch.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is also not there. Actually, PDC experiments, Leica experiments, the same experiments in transistor version and op amp versions, sir. Op amp versions are available. Transistor versions are not available. Sir, in our Leica subject, Leica laboratory, sir. So some Smith triggers and different circuits are there, sir. Different experiments. So you can design as per your requirement, and we can simulate the circuit, sir. We will see one inverting amplifier. So it is different from first one, sir. So first one, the circuit is readily available. So here the components are available. So this is just like breadboard, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So here in this here the input is available. This is one way of doing inverting amplifier, sir. Input is available. So in the input we have different inputs like sinusoidal signal, square wave signal, triangle signal. So you will take sinusoidal signal, you just drag and place, sir. Sinusoidal signal of 1 volt. The procedure is there, 1 volt, and frequency is 1 Hz or 1000 Hz. Okay, and to choose the operation amplifier, here select operational amplifier. It is operated between +15 and -15. That is first case. +12 and -12. So you choose +15 to -12, -15. This one. Then in the same, to construct inverting amplifier, we require input resistor, feedback resistor, ground and load. Am I right, sir? So this is input resistor. you take and place here. So the value is input resistance value is 10 kilo ohms. 10 kilo ohms, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Okay. Then take feedback resistance. You place here. Feedback resistance is available. You can place here. And feedback resistance value to get gain minus 10. What is the value of feedback resistance, ma? To get minus 10 gain for inverting amplifier. So what is the value of RF, ma? Anyone? Anyone?
10, sir.
Not 10, ma. 100 kilo. Minus RF by R1 into input, ma. To get minus 10 gain. What is the value? What is the required feedback resistance? If it is 100k, 100k by 10k, 10 only. 10 into
10
minus
one.
1. 10 into minus 10 into 1, minus 10. This
Minus
is the design. Okay. So then place ground here. Then place load also. Load value is inbuilt value. So like that we can make the connection, sir. We can make the connection. Sorry, we can drag the components and we can place the components. And to make the connections between the components, okay, here CRO is also available. You click on CRO and you place here. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. And to make the connections, you click on connect. There is small dot is there, small circle blue color. So to make the connections, you click here and here, end to end, sir, end to end. Sorry, it's wrong connection. Undo. First to make the connection between these two. You click here and this, sorry, undo. So non-inverting is connected to ground. This is also connected to ground. This is connected to resistance. Yeah. So like that we can make the connection, sir. Okay. If you want to clear the connections, you click on clear connections. This is undo and clear particular connection, and we can also move. So if you want to see the output waveform, so using function generator, so connect his input to here, and his output here. Across load. 1 minute, sir. Undo. And input to here. Then you switch on. Okay, you switch on this button. So when there is no wrong connection, all the colors are showing green color. If there is any wrong connection, it shows the red color. Okay, now simulation is running. If you want to see the graph, you click on this graph. This is your input signal. Am I right, sir? Suresh Garu.
Sir. Yes, sir.
This is input. Input is given to inverting amplifier. We get non-inverting amplifier. Sorry, inverting input.
Yes.
Input is input to inverting terminal. We get inverted output. Am I right, sir?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we can also verify the frequency response, sir. Just like it is a integrate. This is a low pass filter. Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, low pass
Yes, sir.
filter. So to verify the frequency response, you click on this. So this window is open. You give the starting frequency. Starting frequency is some 100 hertz. Ending frequency is some 5000 hertz. And select the interval. If you want to select one interval or 50 intervals or 100 intervals, so choose 50 intervals or 100, whatever it is. This is the graph, sir. It acts as a low pass filter. These are the readings, sir. Okay. So like that we can design even your split trigger also we can design here, sir. So this is low pass filter characteristics. At zero frequency, maximum gain. As frequency increases, gain decreases. At frequency, maximum frequency, it is almost equal to 0. Okay, it is okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is frequency response and tables. So
Okay.
PDC maximum experiments are under processing, sir. Transistor versions are not available. Only operational amplifier or 741 IC is available, sir. Maximum. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
based on that RC integrator and differentiator, you can perform, sir. No problem. So the process is same. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Almost
Okay,
8:30. So difficult to
Yes,
continue 2 hours.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We'll have
Sir,
one by one.
yes, sir. From the participant, I mean, students and faculty, if you are having any doubts, you can please ask.
Yeah.
From the students and faculty, if you are having any doubt, you can please ask. You can write in the
So
chat box also.
the main website is